Well, I got the greenhouse moved over here, so now it's the exact opposite from the raised bed, and I'm just going to use pots and use little portable pots and stuff inside the greenhouse, make it easier to move. And plus, if I need to move tomatoes out during the daytime, put them in the shade or somewhere else, then I'll have the ability to do that. But yeah, everybody's having fun. They're just about, the sun's about ready to go down. They're about ready to go to bed. They all get by the water trough and get some water, and they're getting ready for bed, and they're hoping that I would give them something to eat, like a treat, but that's not going to happen. Okay, so on to where that corner over there on the shed, that's where I'm going to plant my peas that are companion plants to cucumbers, and cucumbers will come out later when the frost danger is over, but I could start up the peas now up that trellis. So as you can see here, my rhubarb came up from last year. I checked the other side of the house and it's coming up too, so even though one of them went to seed, it's still coming back up. So side of that shed right there, I put some hog wire, just bury a little bit of dirt on it, and it held it good for last year, so might as well work this year. What I'm doing today is right here, I set up a trellis pretty late in the day, of course, but you can see the trellis here. I put a row of compost there. I did this last year, worked out just great. And what I'm going to do is I've been soaking these peas for like a couple days, and you see, let me show you this. Let me get a glove off here. You see the peas right here. Soak them in the water a couple days. They're already sprouting. So I'm just going to push these in right at the base. Spread them out probably about 6 inches apart. And then I'll have peas started, and they'll run up the trellis. And what else will go here is the cucumbers. So when the cucumbers are about ready to put out, I'll have them sprouted in little pots, and they will, of course, be grown with the peas, because those are companion plants. Cucumbers and peas are companion plants. Alright, thank you for watching.